Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet management. Today, we're diving into a super timely topic: how to withdraw Stellar from Robinhood to Trust Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to move your assets securely is crucial, especially for Stellar, which is gaining traction for its speed and low fees. Whether you're cashing out for profits or just diversifying your holdings, this guide will get you through it smoothly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Robinhood account and Trust Wallet app set up and verified. In 2025, Robinhood has streamlined its interface, so open the app and head to your portfolio. Locate your Stellar holdings. It should be under the cryptocurrencies section. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough to cover any withdrawal fees, which are typically minimal. Next, navigate to the withdrawal option. Tap on your Stellar asset, then select Withdraw or Transfer Out. You'll need to enter the wallet address from your Trust Wallet. Don't rush this step. Copy the address directly from Trust Wallet to avoid any errors. Trust Wallet is user-friendly, so open it up, go to your Stellar wallet, and find the Receive button. This will generate a unique address for you. Once you've pasted the address into Robinhood, review the details like the amount and network. Stellar uses its own blockchain, so select that if prompted. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a confirmation code via email or in-app notification. In 2025, transactions are even faster, so your withdrawal should process in minutes. After initiating, keep an eye on your Trust Wallet. Refresh the app, and you should see your Stellar tokens arrive shortly. Always double-check for any network confirmations to ensure everything's secure. And that's it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn your Stellar from Robinhood to Trust Wallet. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so stay informed and secure your assets with strong passwords. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Let's conquer the crypto world together. Thanks for watching.